Today I'm making my family favorite dessert, Gula Melaka coconut pandan jelly. It's a beautiful 3 layers of delicious, refreshing and fragrant jelly for tea time. This recipe is for 12 to 14 servings. I am making a big portion as it can be kept in the fridge for up to 3 days. The ingredients needed are 1 packet of jelly powder. I am using 25 grams packet of Mermaid brand for 2.5 liter of liquid, 10 pieces of large pandan leaf, wash and clean. If the pandan leaves are small, use 18 to 20 leaves, 250 grams of Gula Melaka, 220 grams of granulated sugar. The sugar can be reduced if less sweet is preferred. 1.4 liters of water, divide into half for pandan leaves and Gula Melaka flavors. 700 ml of freshly squeezed coconut milk from 500 grams of grated coconut. The jelly pan that I'm using is 8.5 inches square pan with 2.5 inches depth. The full list of the ingredients are in the see more link. Break the Gula Melaka into smaller pieces so that it will melt easily. If it is authentic, it can be chopped with a knife. If it is quite hard, it can be broken with pestle and mortar. Put all chopped Gula Melaka in a small pot. Add 700 ml of water. Switch on the heat. Continuously stir until all Gula Melaka has melted. This will take around 3.5 minutes. Alright, they have all melted. See, this is Gula Melaka in liquid form. Switch off the heat and leave it to cool while preparing the other ingredients. Next, divide the jelly powder. This packet contains 25 grams of jelly powder for 2.5 liters of liquid. However, my pan cannot accommodate 2.5 liters of jelly, so I will only use 2.1 liters. Measure 7 grams of jelly powder each for these 3 bowls to get 21 grams of jelly powder for 2.1 liters of water. A weighing scale with 1 gram as a smaller scale can help with this. However, mine is up to 5 grams, so I will estimate using tablespoon and teaspoon. Remove half teaspoon of jelly powder. We will not be using this. Distribute 1 tablespoon of jelly powder into each bowl. Divide the balance among the 3 bowls equally. Set them aside. Strain the Gula Melaka liquid into another pot. Switch on the heat. Add 1 portion of jelly powder and stir until jelly powder dissolves. Bring it to boil while stirring occasionally. This will take about 3 minutes. Once it is boiling, switch off the heat. Strain the mixture over the pan. Break any bubble formed with the fork. Leave it to cool and firm up. This will take about an hour. Alright, the Gula Melaka jelly has firmed up. See, I can lift it up like this. Next, prepare the coconut jelly. Put coconut milk in the pot. Switch on the heat. Add in 60 grams of granulated sugar and 1 portion of jelly powder. Continue stir for the sugar and jelly powder to dissolve and bring it to boil. This will take about 4 minutes. Do not stop stirring, otherwise the coconut milk will become curd. Alright, after about 4.5 minutes, the coconut milk is boiling. Switch off the heat. Before pouring the coconut jelly layer, make some surface grooves on the Gula Melaka jelly. This is to help the 2 jelly layers stick better together and prevent the layer from separating when cutting. Okay, this should be enough. Pour the coconut jelly layer through the strainer. Burst any bubble formed with a fork and leave it to cool and firm up. This will take about 1 hour. While waiting for the coconut jelly to firm up, prepare the pandan water. Cut all the pandan leaf into small pieces, about 1.5 inch in length. In a blender, put all the cut pandan leaves and 700 ml of water. Blend for about 1 minute or until fine. Alright, it's ready. Use a coffee strainer to strain the pandan water. Then squeeze out all the pandan juice from the coffee strainer. Now the pandan water is ready. Leave it aside and wait until coconut jelly firm up. Check on the coconut jelly. It has firmed up so beautifully that I can tilt the tray as well. Cook the pandan jelly. Put all the pandan water in the pot, the last portion of jelly powder, and 60 grams of granulated sugar. Switch on the heat. Continuously stir until sugar and jelly powder has dissolved and bring it to boil. This will take around 3.5 minutes. Keep stirring to prevent the pandan water from clumping together. After 3.5 minutes, switch off the heat. Make some surface grooves on the coconut jelly with a fork before pouring the pandan jelly layer. Strain the pandan jelly layer and break any bubbles with the fork. Leave it aside to cool and firm up. After an hour, the jelly has cooled down and is very firm, even after tilting the pan. Next, cover the jelly with cling wrap and leave it in the fridge to chill overnight. Take the jelly out from the fridge, remove the cling wrap, use a thin knife or plastic cake cutter to cut the side of the jelly. Put a tray or board over the pan and flip out of the container. Remove the pan. Wow, the 3-layer jelly is very beautiful. Let's cut it. Dish out and serve. Let's eat. Oh wow! The pandan layer is so fragrant, the coconut layer is very creamy, and the Gula Melaka is sweet and rich. These ingredients go so well together. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.